Damn, completely different vibe. Holy shit. How we do it in chat? Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Is my mic working? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Streaming at midnight. I know, I know, I know. Sort of a late stream, dare I say. And I was like, I want to stream. I was like, I want to code. I have to code. So I'll just stream and code. Both project together. You love it. I mean, I do. What am I doing with the text? I'm dancing with the text. Am I not allowed to? Anyway. Hey, that works. My OBS is broken. I can't log in into my stream, so this is what I'm using to read my chat. Yep. Anyway. Stop coding video, let's go. Let's go. Okay, so today the plan is one of my friend DM'd me and was like, okay, here's the idea. Manhunt. For those who don't know, it's the dream videos, you know? The thing where there's like a 1v6 or something where one person tries to finish the game and then the others try to kill him, and then if he dies, it's over. That thing. But instead of when he dies, it's over, we're gonna make it so that whenever you die, you become a hunter, and then the person who killed you is the runner. And so it's a never-ending cycle on that. I mean, not really. When we'll get to the actual stuff later, you'll see. But in the meantime, we're gonna do that. So, I'm not gonna do something too complicated. I don't care how it looks. It's just gonna be for friends. So, config dot YML, and just gonna I'm just gonna use that as like stacking variables and stuff like game state. Currently it's like waiting, and then runner is nobody. That's gonna be a unique ID. Okay. So let's do it. What do we need? We need a listener. What's a listener? It listens. I know, crazy. On player kill. Actually, on player kill event. That one is, as you guessed it, when a player dies. So I'm gonna do a lot of nerdy talk today. Public avoid event handler. So, on player kill events, and it takes player death event. So that's whenever a player dies, basically. As you could guess from the name. So player is, oh yeah, we gotta import that. Yeah, player. So that should be the player who was killed. And so if I do entity killer is equal to events don't. Oh wait, do we not have it? Is hold on. Let's check. On player death events. What does that reason? Whenever a player dies. Okay. Returns the entity involved in this event. Okay. And so player is to get the player. Can I get the death reason? Experience event name. Show death message. Oh, damage source. Get Cosmic Entity. There we go. So, if the player died to a player, I'm gonna say runner. That one. So if the runner died to the hunter, then I need to get the plugin. Final. And then oh, okay. There we go. I can also do plugin dot get server dot get blink measure this. There we go. Okay. Plugin dot get config dot get string, but I need to do bucket dot get player from a unique ID, which is is this what we'll do next year? Yes, this is Java. Yes, it is what we'll do next year. But to be fair, this is Minecraft, so it'll be different from what we do. Although it helps if you understand what we do. But yes, this is the language we'll be using next year. Yeah, because this is unstable. The problem is that this is nullable, so I need to I need to check if this is null. Oh, this is not null, so it cannot be null. Okay, no, this just cannot be null. Okay. But entity is nullable. So yeah, this can be nothing. So I need to check if it's not nothing. And then, so if it's not nothing, I can just check if it's a player. So I can do, this is the runner. I don't need to do that. I can do, what am I doing? I need to do login dot get config dot set runner to enter dot get unique ID dot toString. Okay. And so that's a new hunter. So I can do event dot that message. So hold on. I need to end my screen for a second. Where is it? Here. I know in another project I did that. I just can't show some projects, so that's why I'm hiding it. I'm just gonna use this, or like use a copy of what I have. I could just add some text probably that says like hiding screen to not leak anything important. There we go. And then okay. There we go. God, that was annoying to do. Okay. I think I have it. I'm not gonna copy anything here. Okay. Hold on. Okay. There we go. So before that, I should check if the runner died. If runner dot get unique ID dot toString equals some stuff, and then I can just do that, and then yeah, a lot of text. Don't worry about that. It's not important for now. Okay. So get okay. That's a lot of text. You might be lost. Don't worry about it. Everything is under control. I just need to remember what I did last time. That's what I did now. And so I need to copy everything in here and put it here. Okay. So whenever the hunter dies, the runner dies, the hunter takes its place. And so we check for that. And then here, that message and stuff like that. We already check it's the right player here. So we don't need to do that. Because we're only gonna show if the player dies anyway. So, boop. Okay. And then that's just okay. So we already have a player which is runner. Alright, but if you die you have to not be in spec. So that's we don't care. Okay. Um let's die 2. And then we need to see that. So I can just do hunter.get name. Zai2. So you they are the new runner. Okay. Okay. That is if they die to the hunter. What is going on? Why is that red? Yes. Unexpected token. Where? Oh, here. There we go. Wait, I'm not showing the one. Fuck. Oh yeah, I don't need to show it. I'm dumb. I legit don't need that. That's why. There we go. Okay. So I don't need all of that and all of that. Okay. So the new runner is the hunter. That is if you died. And if you died, I need to add you. Oh shit. To uh layers out, and that's just a list. So I need to do login dot get config dot get string list of layers out, and that's just a list of string There we go. Players out dot add run out dot unique ID dot toString. There we go. And then set players out to put up a list. There you go. Okay. So yeah, if you're out, you'll be added to the list, and that's all great. And now, that is if they die to a player. Otherwise, if they don't die to a player, that's where the funny part happens. So, I need to... We should do that. There we go. Check all the players that aren't out. So I need to do that. And then I need to make a list of players, that is players not out, which is a list of list of nothing. Bucket. Oh, and you need to add the player that died though to the list. Right, that should be here. Okay. Get online players. Dot for each player. If it contains the UUID. No, if it doesn't contain it, if it's not in here, so boom. Oh, it's already one, yeah. Okay, perfect. If there's already one, if not out, sorry, then players not out dot add player. Oh, I can just do array list. There we go. Yeah, that works. Yeah, okay. What? I know. And so now, funny part. If the list is empty, then I need to set this. Oh wait, do I clear it and allow the one who just died to be the hunter again? I feel like no. I mean, I can always check anyway. There we go. And then random. So random is a new random, and then we get dot get online layers dot size. Is it exclusive? So it's a number from 0 to this minus 1. Okay. Int random int is this. Okay. So do it again. Um, if random int is equal to 0, then break. Never mind. Return? No. What do I do? Whatever. And I can just do random int minus here. Anyway. So if it's equal to 0, then congrats, you're the new runner. And so player, there we go. I don't know why it's doing this every time. But it is. You know what? It works. Is it returning an int? Yeah. An integer. Okay. Whatever. This is supposed to work, not to be efficient. So, blah blah blah. You select a new player. You're the new player. Congrats. Player, new player. New runner is equal to nothing. And then new runner is player. Oh, it's because it's outside. That's why. I think that's why. Okay, hear me out. What if I do this? There we go, that works. I'm sure it won't be. It's... Hello? Oh, okay. So, this, you're the new runner. Congrats. Yeah. I need you to say it to the people. Because this, I cannot reuse that. And so you died. And now instead of having they are, you, the runner, has died. And then is... Okay. That should work. I don't see why it wouldn't. Now to do commands. So command Okay. Implements command executor. Yay! What does that do? Command. If you were wondering, creates new commands. What did I try to write here? um. So whenever you start, uh, wow, crazy! It works. Almost. Plugin dot get server dot. Is it not get that? Plugin dot get command. Okay. That works great. And then here, bucket dot broadcast. New runner dot get name is the runner. There we go. And I mean, I could do this. This dot happen, and then name text color. There we go. And also, is it new title dot? Oh no, just this, and then this. And boom. Boom. Oh, there we go. That should work. Just to be sure, I'll send the subtitle before. Not sure about that. Can I do bucket dot send? No. Okay. Well, that should work. Okay. So we have a start command that sets a random player to a runner. When they die, they get added to a player's out list. And whenever they die to player, this player becomes it, except if in they're on the out list. Then then someone one random becomes it. If enter dot get unique ID dot this, and then dot contain this. So that is if they are not in the list, so if they can take that place, otherwise they should be here. And so I need to copy all of this and put it in here. Let's die to the hunter. But they already were the runner. So you this should work. I mean, that's basically the same thing. So yeah, okay, that should work. So if they die to a player who already died, then we do all of that, and then if the list is already full, we reset it. But wait. I need to check if they're not in, players out. Oh, if they're in, player not out. Shit. Um, hmm. Yeah, that works. For player team, players not out. And that, yeah, that's perfect. That works fine. Because if the list is empty, then the list gets cleared, and everybody is back as being able to be a hunter again. Otherwise, being a runner again, sorry. And then we just check this list and do everything for this list. If it's not empty, so if some people are not out and can be the runner and haven't been the runner yet, then we just skip that and we just take this list instead. That should work. And so I just need to do that up here. And then here, do that. There we go. Yeah, Okay, that should work. Should. Keyword here. Okay. Let me check my DMs real quick. One person randomly chose and they died because the person who died become the runner. And if not, the random hunter becomes a runner. When a runner dies, they're stuck on the hunter team forever. Oh, as a runner, you can decide to swap places with the hunter. If they're not stuck on the hunter team. So I can just get this list of people who are run out. Whenever we're stuck on the team, the host time resets. Okay. For the swap, is it supposed to be an item? This speedrunner won the game and okay, I can just do slash swap, I guess. And then um bucket dot get player login dot get config dot get string and then public swap command. Okay. Okay. Um we need to add the runner to the list of player who are out. I don't need that, do I? No, I do. To say that they decided to swap. Yeah. Okay. Mm, so yeah, this is the list. Now we check who's not out. If it's empty, we clear it. Uh, otherwise we set this as a new runner, and if it's not null, bucket dot broadcast open dot text runner dot get name happened. Decided to swap their runner uh their place with a random enter. And then this, and then here I can just do that. Boop. Oh, boop. Oh. Okay. Uh, so now we've got the new one. We've got the command to start. Start. Oh, I need to do something really important. Check for the game state. Okay. Here. I'll set game state to running, and then same check here. Boop, boop. If the game is running, otherwise you shouldn't be able to run it. Okay. So that's done. Description starts the game. Uh, you, oh, you do not have the permission to start the game. I did not say game. Swaps the runner's place with. Okay. And I also need to check that the one who runs the command is the runner. If someone said the instance of player sender and sender dot get unique ID. Why not? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna copy all of this. And here dot equals dot get unique ID. There we go. So if it's the same player, then it should do the thing. Otherwise, you shouldn't be able to. Okay. Uh, recommends Mr. Listeners. Uh, boom, and then you swap command this. You listen to this. Okay. One last thing, and you check if Ender Dragon die. Oh, kill listener. I need to check when the other dragon dies. Event handler public void on under dragon death, which is entity death events. Mm. Hold on. I need to check. Get entity type. I mean, my guess would be to get the translation key and check if it has Under Dragon. Because there's no way to like tell if it is like what mob it is. I don't think. Uh because get type and then get entity class? What does that do? Oh, there we go. Exactly what I need. Dot equals. Oh, dragon. There we go. That's exactly what I need. Plugin. Oh, I don't have the plugin. Private. Say goodnight now. I'm starting to fall asleep. Have a good evening. Thank you. See you later, I guess. Tomorrow, today, whatever. See you later. Bye! To you. I'm staying, guys. I'm still here. Hello. How's that? Plugin. No. Oh. No. Oh. Oh. I killed it. I killed my ID. It's over. Never mind. We're back. Set game state to waiting because the game is over, and then don't. Sometimes get. It's weird that it's not giving you the thing. Wait, do I have? Yeah. Wow. Okay. I'm actually dumb. I mean, we never know. We never know. I mean, I'm gonna make it so that event handler public void on under dragon damage. Do we have player? Is strike, show, shape, pick, interact, name, hide, attack, cooldown, reset. No, okay. Entity damage event. Get entity type dot equals and type in the dragon. And then dot get damage shots dot get causing entity. Player attacker. If attacker dot get unique ID dot equals again dot get config dot oh. So if it's not a runner event dot send console true. Attacker dot send message. You are not allowed to damage the dragon as the hunter. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, we're back? We're back. Don't know what happened, but we're back. You guys. Guys. Okay. And then, bucket. Nope, nope. Killer dot get name. Yep. The text color is aqua. Uh, the Ender Dragon and want the manhunt. Okay. Solve that. Yep. Yep. Oh. Should be under Dragon Listener, by the way. And then Legenda gets a dot. This again. Also. Okay. So now resets the game when the Ender Dragon dies. Yep. And also Legenda getting not set. Route nothing and was it here? Empty list. Okay. Yep. That should be right. I don't see any other problem really. Oh, I need to make it so that it tracks where the player is. Okay, that's doable. When you start. Now, I could. Okay, two ideas. One, I make it like a tracker where it shows where the player is. That's option one. Option two is just I show the coordinates at all time. It's yeah. I'm sure Joey's gonna be alright with that. I'm sure. So new task. So Implements runnable. Boop. Boop. Okay. I need to go here and do private. I know? No. Private list of bucket tasks and their goal tasks. And it's a new array list. Task dot for each. Oh yeah. There we go. Merge tasks like that. You and then this. And this is public. Show that. This dot plugin is a plugin, and then I need to do uh boom plugin dot gets run task timer. Again this, and then 0, 1. And then here, I need to get the player's coordinates, so where is it? It's player runner is equal to, I need to equal player. Bucket dot get player again dot get config dot get string runner. And I'm thinking about it every time I do like here on the swap. Yeah, it's UID dot from string this. Okay. Need to check every time I get the runner like that. That's fine. That's also fine. Yeah, I'm checking the to string, so that's okay. That should be correct. There we go. We'll check if it's null, and then so location runner location is runner dot Get location. For Beckett dot get on players. If player dot get unique ID is equal to the unique ID of the player then player dot that player component dot text you are being entered in red and bold because it's scary. I'm going to say like there are X people around you, but I don't want to do it anymore. Else player dot send action bar component dot text runner dot get name is at, and then here we should the location. So run location dot get x plus yeah, that's even better. There we go. Plus get y and then get z. There we go. And then you see the full coordinates of where the runner is. That's great. No, that's perfect. I don't see the issue. You see it? I don't. Yeah. There you go, perfect. And if there is no, this will never run. If there you go. If it's not this and this is the default thing, so if it's not doing that, then it should be fine. I can even check for that. There you go. So if it's not empty and the game is running. There we go. I can just start the server to see if it works. And then if it works, then good. Otherwise, fuck me. And then I'll go back to very, very, very confidential coding. Oh. Oh. Yeah. There we go. It is literally here. Okay, let's see. Okay. It's gonna yell at me for the EULA. Because it's my first time studying it. Yep. There we go. Alright. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, my game is in French because I'm investing in something else. And my game needs to be in French. Okay. Nope. This one. Okay. I'm not armed, am I? No, I am. Okay. But if I do /start, it'll just be myself. Okay. I realized two things. It's not saving in the the config, and it is not showing anything here. Why? because it's not saving in the config. That's probably why. Plug in the save config. There we go. Where's the N? Where's the very last comma? Here. There we go. Okay. Let's try again. There we go. Oh, this is a new world. Okay. Okay. It is still not showing. At least it's saved. Um. Okay, yeah, I know how to spell. Wait, did the console? No, it didn't say anything. Plug in the. Is it not starting the task? That could be it. Why? Okay. Uh. I need to make it not static actually. There we go. So. Why is it not running? Okay, apparently I don't need that. Whatever. Okay. That's weird. Let's try again. Third time's the charm. Surely. That's what they say. Maybe. I don't know. Whoa. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it is not. Is it even running? Because it looks like it just isn't. Am I just crazy? Am I just insane? What's going on? Let's see. Okay, that's what I thought. It's just not running the task. Oh. I'm actually the dumbest motherfucker of all time. Wow. Wow. I'm actually really dumb. Holy shit. Someone stop me, quick. I'll try to not go to bed late today. It is already quite late. It's already 1:20 a.m. Time flies where I'm going. What's going on? Oh. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's because the server restarted and yeah. There we go. Yeah, okay. That works. Well, the server is extremely slow now, but like really slow. Okay. Maybe running every tick isn't the best idea. What about every second? Also, to be fair, this is running on my PC, which is known for not being the best ever. Right. Well, I don't have this cape. I just don't have this one. I mean, I guess now I do. Yeah, no, that's correct. And then if I do start, it chooses someone else, which is already me, but okay. And then yeah, that makes sense because I'm the only one. Yeah, okay. Contest with multiple one because I have no friends, but okay, that works. Great, thank you. Boop. Build. Already? That was fast. Yeah, perfect. Alright, well, that's the end of the stream. Wait, hold on, I need to... No, I don't want to make a new directory. Any day now. Any day. Thank you. Or not. Can you, like, walk? Probably? Hello? Oh, what? What? Huh? What are you? What are you? Get away. What? What? Why do I have two of them? Why? I'm closing this one. Or not. Oh, okay. You know what? Yeah, yeah, just give up. That's fine. Any day. Any day now. Which one? Which one do I use? There we go. Well, that's it. That's the end. Thank you for watching. I've done my job. And now I gotta work on the other project. The other very, very, very secret project. Alright. Yep. Okay, thank you. Bye. You can go now. How do I end?